What's up, everyone? The wait is finally over. Apple has just dropped their iPhone 16 series, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. From new design tweaks to mind-blowing camera upgrades, this one is packed with features you don't want to miss. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive into everything the iPhone 16 series has to offer. First up, let's talk about the design. The iPhone 16 has had a bit of a glow-up. It still has that premium aluminum and glass combo we all love, but this time, it's sleeker and lighter. Oh, and the colors? Say goodbye to boring choices. There's a fresh lineup that includes a stunning sunset gold and a super slick midnight blue. Major flex, Apple. Major flex. Now let's jump to the display. The Promotion 2.0 is back, but this time, it's even smoother. You're getting a 6.1-inch OLED on the standard iPhone 16 and a jaw-dropping 6.9-inch on the Pro Max. And for the first time ever, we've got an Ultra Retina 8K display. Yeah, you heard me right, 8K. Your Netflix binge just got a serious upgrade. Let's be honest, half of us buy iPhones for the camera, right? Well, Apple has seriously stepped up its game with the iPhone 16 series. The Pro models now have a 64 megapixels main sensor, along with that iconic triple lens system. But here's the kicker. Introducing QuantumZoom. You can now zoom in up to 100 times without losing detail. Yes, 100 times. You can basically shoot the moon. And for all my vloggers and TikTok creators out there, the iPhone 16 Pro Max features Cinematic Mode 2.0. It lets you shoot with insane depth of field and professional-level focus pulls, all from your phone. Hollywood, take notes. Now, let's talk brains, because the iPhone 16 isn't just about looks. It's powered by the brand new A18 Bionic chip, which, surprise, surprise, is an absolute beast. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, or just scrolling through TikTok, this thing handles it all with lightning speed. And don't even get me started on the battery life. Apple claims it'll last 20% longer than the iPhone 15 series. So, whether you're a heavy multitasker or a pro at doom scrolling, this phone's got you covered. And now, Dynamic Island fans rejoice. The iPhone 16 has taken this feature to the next level. Dynamic Island 2.0 is even more interactive, with added widgets and customization. You can now control your music, track live events, and even take selfies with built-in filters, right from the island. It's like having a mini dashboard for your life, always at your fingertips. Forget islands in the Caribbean. This is the one you'll never want to leave. Of course, it wouldn't be an iPhone without some cutting-edge features. The iPhone 16 series is 5G, ready with blazing fast download speeds, perfect for streaming or downloading files in seconds. And MagSafe is back with more accessories, including a super cool foldable MagSafe charger. Oh, and wireless charging? It's now 40% faster. So, no more waiting around forever to juice up your phone. Alright, now for the big question. How much does it cost? The base iPhone 16 starts at $999 and the Pro Max comes in at $1,399. Yeah, it's a splurge, but for all these next-gen features, totally worth it. So, are you upgrading to the iPhone 16? Or are you still rocking an older model? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech content. Catch you in the next one.